Cleaning brass can be quite a chore, but with a little bit of chemistry and know-how, it's easy. Now, here you can see I am applying some phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is used as a rust buster for cars, and it can be purchased from most DIY shops. You do need to wear gloves and be aware that it is an acid, so it's going to damage your clothes, and if you get it in your eyes it's not going to be very nice, so it's probably a good idea to wear some goggles. Now, the abrasive I'm using there is steel wool, and it's 000 steel wool. Now, it may appear to some that it would scratch the brass, but in actual fact it burnishes it. Now, it also gets quite warm as well, so you need to be a little bit cautious of that. So you apply the phosphoric acid, you then go over it with the wire wool, as I'm doing here. And when it's all nice and clean, you just rinse it off in water. Then you get your favorite metal cleaner, which could be Brasso or something very similar, and just rub like mad. This is me speeding it up because it would be a pain to watch. But as you can see now, with a little bit of elbow grease, only a little, not a lot, the job's done in absolutely no time. There we are, I'm going quicker again. There you are. That's so much easier, isn't it? The little vase is treated in exactly the same way. Just polish it all off. And there we are, job done. And there's no tears. I hope that helps.